Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on Google Cloud. Log into your Google account and access the Google Cloud console. Now it's time to deploy the WordPress installation. Search for the marketplace and click WordPress. Then click Launch on Compute Engine. You will need to complete the WordPress development form before you continue. Make sure you check the Install PHP My Admin box. Allow HTTP traffic and HTTPS traffic found under the firewall. To begin the installation, click Deploy. After WordPress has finalized the installation, you will be redirected to the development information screen. Make sure you keep a record of the WordPress administrator username and password, as well as the MySQL administrator password. To visit admin panel, click Log into the admin panel. Congratulations, you have successfully installed WordPress on Google Cloud. Enjoy your new WordPress site.